Let's make 3-ingredient lemon mousse that is gonna blow your mind. First things first, guys, we're gonna take a couple of lemons and slice them in half. Through its nose, we're gonna slice around the edges of the lemon, sugar it around. Then we're gonna scrape out the middles and pop it into our bullet. Life gives you lemons. Make lemon mousse. Once your lemons are blended, we're going to pour it through a fine mixer. Just mix it a bit to get all the juices out. Now we've got our beautiful, clean lemon juice. We're gonna pop that back into the blender. Pop in with a punnet of cream. I don't know why they call it a punnet. Why is it called a punnet? Pop open a tin of condensed milk, my old friend. And now we blitz. One more for luck. This is a dancing dessert. Now we're gonna pop our mousse into the little lemon shells. Off we go to the fridge. Guys, our desserts are ready. Zest over a little bit of lemon zest. Be careful not to grate half your fingers off, because that happens to me often. And there we have it, the 3-ingredient mousse of your dreams. DIY, because anybody can.